Hi all, welcome to AGI-tators. As you can observe, current educational institutions face massive problems. The teachers involved spending 60% of their time on administrative tasks instead of actual teaching. Because they manage courses across Google Classroom, managing assignments, creating them manually, spending countless hours on grading. And also student gets delayed feedback. As you can see, the workflow is completely broken. There is better way to handle this. So AI agent can bridge the gap. Why AI agent or why agent, you might ask? Unlike monolithic application, agent can specialize and collaborate intelligently. Our solution uses four specialized agents: classroom, course material, test management, and grading. An orchestrator agent ties them all together. High level architecture, we use React to build front end, Python Flash to build back end, and we integrated Google Classroom APIs with OAuth 2.0 security to get Google Classroom data securely. And then we use PostgreSQL by using database sessions to store chart for persistency and Redis to store session tokens and etc. Architecture deep dive. Frontend calls backend API, which was done by Python Flask. Once verifying the request is authenticated, orchestrator agent is triggered, and this intelligently routes request to one of our four specialized agents. Each agent has specialized tools associated with it and integrates with Google Classroom API to fetch the data. Once agent satisfies the user requirement, it stores all the progress in the DB, including function calls and final response. And for authentication, we use Google 2.0. We sign cookie before sending it to front end, and we store all the details in the Redis cache. Now we'll see the demo.
Both the agent architecture here. So here we are having the multiple sub agents which will be wrapped under the tool and gave as a tool to the main orchestrator agent. So this is responsible for choosing which agent at which scenarios. Like in that we are using the LLM agents. So and also while we are creating the session service, we are using the DB database session service which will be responsible for storing the data in the DB. And then while creating the runner, we are using the existing logging plugin which will be used for logging the status between the interaction of the agents, and also we will be having the defer logger for logging the status of the application. So this is how we are maintaining the codes in the application. Thank you.